As you know, this channel is designed mainly to give you free information for your business, to get started into your business and grow. Also, you will be getting lots of value-added resources. So today I'll be talking about two really important traits which are needed for any business. And those traits are consistency and persistency. Those are really important. Means, yeah, many times you think, oh, you need training and education and you need to have skill, you need to be genius to invent something and all. All those are really good. But means you don't know all these scientists because of their geniusness, but the amount of work, amount of consistent work they did and persistency they showed. Means, means basically when the light bulb was invented, it was like 10,000s of failed means experiments, and after that it was. So if he had given in between, yeah, you wouldn't have been yeah getting light bulb. Means, of course he had talent and skills and everything, but consistency and persistency is really more important, because yeah, you will get talent, genius, education anywhere, but without consistency and persistency, nothing is going to happen. And if you combine that with urgency, oh, you will go to places, because if you are just consistently and persistently just strolling in a park, nothing going to happen. But if you are going to take brisk walk and run and all, then you are going to see all the results, right? And consistency and persistency means, yeah, I'm talking to you from business point of view, but it is not just for business, it is needed in each and every area. Yeah, means, for example, you are going to job. Yeah, you don't go for job for a few days, you don't show up consistently, and you don't work persistently, yeah, your job will be gone. Means, how it is possible? So consistency and persistency is needed in each and every area. Now think, means just a drop of water falling on rock doesn't do anything, but if it keeps on falling consistently and persistently for days and months and years, it is going to break that rock. And like that, exactly like that, you are going to get breakthrough in your life, in your business, and you are going to explode. So right now you are getting started, you may not see the results, but keep on doing. And but of course you get the mentorship, you get all the proper education, and then you do consistently and persistently, because it is also said that many times people see the results and keep on doing the wrong things consistently and persistently, it's not going to happen. So right results you will get by right action, doing consistently and persistently, because they always say, right, means basically practice makes you perfect. It's not necessarily, means practice is needed, practice is good, but it is means kept on improving. Means perfect practice make you perfect. So keep on getting educated, keep on getting mentorship, keep on implementing the changes, keep on improving, and keep on working on consistently and persistently. Just I want to give you more and more examples. For example, if you just see the ray of sun, means if it just falls everywhere, yeah, what you get, you just get warm. But if you get the focused ray on paper, and within certain time it is going to burn the paper. So it is totally different. Means consistency with focus, with urgency, will give you tremendous results. So I just want to wish you all the best for your business endeavors, and any need you need basically regarding business resources, business information, please let me know, and I'll try to do podcast or YouTube videos based on those topics, because the main idea for our intention is means to add value to your life. So whatever your needs are, we'll try to cover those, because that's the most important thing. You will find all the information in our description box. You can get lots of free information, free resources, value added resources. Everything is available. We have two separate sites. One site is mainly for the e-commerce, where you will get lots of resources which will be useful for your life, which can reduce the chaos in your life, which can get you started, lots of software and e-courses and all. But we also have blogs which have lots of information and value added resources, where you can get all the free information. So whatever is good for you, we would really like to help you and will really like to provide.